Welcome to our deep dive into the world of pharmaceuticals. Today, we're going to explore the potential dangers that can lurk behind those prescription labels. While these medicines are designed to heal, they can also harm if not used correctly. Let's get started. The double-edged sword of pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals have revolutionized modern medicine, providing treatments for countless diseases and improving the quality of life for millions. However, they are a double-edged sword. While they can alleviate symptoms and cure diseases, they can also cause adverse effects, leading to new health problems or exacerbating existing ones. The risk of side effects. Every drug comes with potential side effects, ranging from mild to severe. These can include anything from nausea and headaches to more serious issues like kidney damage or heart problems. It's crucial to understand these risks before starting any new medication and to communicate any side effects to your healthcare provider. The danger of misuse and overuse. Misuse of prescription drugs, whether intentional or accidental, is a significant health concern. This can involve taking too much of a medication, taking it in a way not prescribed, or using someone else's prescription. Overuse, on the other hand, can lead to dependency and addiction, particularly with opioids, sedatives, and stimulants. The threat of antibiotic resistance. The overuse of antibiotics is leading to a rise in antibiotic-resistant bacteria, a global health threat. These superbugs are difficult to treat and can lead to prolonged illness, hospitalization, and even death. It's essential to use antibiotics responsibly to prevent the spread of resistance. Interactions with other drugs and substances. Pharmaceuticals can interact with other drugs, including over-the-counter medications, dietary supplements, and even food and drink. These interactions can alter the way a drug works, making it less effective or causing unexpected side effects. Always check with your healthcare provider or pharmacist before combining medications. The importance of informed consent. Informed consent is a fundamental aspect of patient care. It involves understanding the risks and benefits of a medication before agreeing to take it. However, the complexity of pharmaceuticals can make this challenging, and patients may not fully understand the potential dangers associated with their medication. The role of Big Pharma. The pharmaceutical industry, often referred to as Big Pharma, plays a significant role in the development, production, and marketing of drugs. However, their profit-driven nature can sometimes overshadow the potential risks of pharmaceuticals, leading to aggressive marketing tactics and a lack of transparency about drug safety. The need for awareness and education. While pharmaceuticals have undoubtedly improved our health and well-being, it's crucial to be aware of their potential dangers. Education about the proper use of medications, understanding side effects, and the importance of informed consent can help mitigate these risks. Always remember, your health is in your hands, and it's okay to ask questions and seek information about your medications. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the dangers of pharmaceuticals. Stay informed, stay safe, and take care of your health.